YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our Sephora Play unboxing. Yes, I just did my Ipsy unbagging, but yeah, when you get products, you get products. So let's dive right in. So this theme is Festival Beauty vibes. I'm not gonna look at the back because it's gonna tell me the products, but got our little shingy-majiggy there. Oh, this is a really soft bag. It says, "Beauty is my spirit animal." Well, that is cheesy AF, dog. Cheesy AF. And the first thing we got is a goddamn foil packet. I get these Amika foil packets in everything. Anyway, I got the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I'm not like super pumped about this, but my one time, unless I have like amazing other products, whatever. Next, I have the Stila Style Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, 8 fluid ounces in Intense Black. I have used this before. I am not its biggest fan, I will say that, but another black liner. At least I will say it is a liquid liner. And my liquid liner, as you guys know, has still been exploding, so. Next, we have the Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser by Korres. It is a decent sized sample, especially for Sephora Play. Let me just look and see. This is for just being a cleanser to get some products off your face. I really want to try some cream cleansers. I love oil cleansers, but a cream cleanser could definitely be up my alley. I've been like eyeing up the Clinique one, so definitely been eyeing that up. Next we have the Defense Refresh Setting Mist Broad Spectrum SPF 50 by Super Goop, and it says spritz over makeup to refresh your UV protection. That is so cool. So this is like an SPF setting mist that's SPF 50 that you can spray over your makeup. Buy at least every 2 hours. And it sounds like this. I was telling them about to like spray paint my face and it sounds like that. Now that is a cool product. I think that that'd be cool, like to do a full face of makeup and you're like, shite, I forgot to put on sunscreen. You can just spritz it on. How's this spritz? Seems like a pretty fine mist that I can put on for some sun protection and I don't have to ruin my makeup, so that's pretty cool. Next we have an eeny weeny peeny lemon deeny Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm in Bare Glow. So this is gonna give me hopefully a glow. I know, you guys know I love my Wet n Wild, but this is hopefully gonna give me a glow to the gods. So it's just like a generic, don't mind the thumbs, that was for March Madness. But it looks like I'll get like 1 or 2 uses out of this before it's done, but I like to look dewy and beautiful, definitely, so it's tiny AF though. Next we have the Hydrating Hair Balm. I've gotten this before from Mistress IGK. And this is an innovative leave-in conditioning balm that melts into lengths and instantly boosts hydration. I definitely got this before. I don't know in what, but I actually haven't used it. It's still sitting in my sample drawer, so I will have to try it this month. Definitely not my favorite Sephora Play because it was very skincare and hair care heavy. I am a brat who always wants makeup, but like I need to also take care of my skin and hair. I understand that is also part of beauty and the beauty process. So Sephora Play is kind of forcing me to. But what I will say is, even though that Bobbi Brown product was kind of tiny, this is a better showing than last month because my products last month were like all Sephora brand and super teeny tiny, like microscopically tiny. So the skincare products, like I said, besides the Bobbi Brown, was much more sizable comparatively to what I got last month. So it's okay. It's all right. I'm excited to try that SPF spritz though, because SPF 50 and being able to spritz on your face, like I can wear makeup to the beach. I always kind of wear makeup to the beach because I feel like it protects my skin better than sunscreen. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a fantastic evening. Bye.